Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play Welcome to FC Mobile Challenge. This is part of challenge mode that you can play in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And also this challenge mode is already uh, began since this new season is start. And also let's get start the banner. You can tap this banner like this, scroll it, and this one challenge mode, you can tap it, challenge mode. And this is there are some challenge mode that you can join, you can challenge. And also let's get back to the main page. You can also tap the play button, and this one tap live events and tap the challenge mode, this one. And I want to show you this welcome to FC Mobile Challenge, and tap the condition. So this entry condition is minimum 65 team OVR best is required. And also you got to entry 50,000 of FIFA coin. I mean FC coin right now. This, and let's get back to the challenge. And also you got this 150,000 coin if you become a champion, 200 shot point, and 100 welcome point. Tap the entry button, and this one. There are some round here, round 1, 2, and the quarterfinal, semi-final, and final. It's the same with the Founder Challenge last season. And also you've got this like a Founder Challenge. It's the same rules and different rewards. So let's tap the continue, or you want to tap line up first, it's up to you. So thank you, please challenge yourself to get the rewards. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.